Okay, back for the lunch macro. I'm going to break down what I'm looking at from the AM, right? So 11:50 macro window, we had manipulation above the macro. This would be, we've left it. I'm going to be very careful with this short, and I'll tell you why. And close this short, and there's a reason for it. Why I'm not particularly comfortable taking this, and in fact I may look for a run into the highs on the 15. What we done on the 15? Let me just double check something. We've come into this order book. Mean threshold to the tick, yeah. And although my target, like I said, is the midnight open, it's all the way down here. I very much anticipate we will get there. But at the same time, I'm assessing on a daily. Came so close to this previous week's high, yeah. Previous day high, or previous week high. Let's let me just check the previous week high. Yeah. Check out. So I'm going to be careful because so yeah, it's true. I'm a bit nervous short on this because we've still got the previous week high, right? Okay, so let's see how we. So just for my learning, right? So on the 1 minute, the model would have suggested to go short here. And I guess the stop loss would be here. So I'm just seeing how we're going to react. This is the last. Do we find any support here? Like I said, look, we've come right next to that previous week. Yeah, so this would have been my cue to go short, right? We had manipulation after 11:50. Now, where does 12:50? So this last down close candle here to change the state of delivery on the 15-second, right? I want to see these signatures we've displaced above it. We've come back into it over here. Right, what's this? I don't know what this fib is, so I'm gonna remove it. And I'm just gonna put this line. This is our change in state of delivery. So look, got beautiful algorithmic confirmation of accumulation on this bullish order block. Why is it an important bullish order block? Well, it's the last down close candle in a BISI where we want to see displacement from. We want to see confirmation that smart money is buying and keying off this level. We still have our targets, previous week high, they just came short of it before lunch. Now, all day long, my hypothesis is that we are going back to the regular trading hour gap. The way I've seen price develop, I'm anticipating for a big move in the afternoon to the downside, right? And it's gonna do it in the PM after we get another run higher to get also PM traders, well, early shorters first of all, early shorters over here to trip them up. This is what I'm basing this trade off. Get the equal highs left, and then once that target is achieved, for us to see a displacement low. Now, thinking about time, right? How much time do we have to do all of this? So I'm factoring this out in this trade, right? I don't want to see sloppy price action that's gonna take ages to get this high, because in that case we're not gonna get a run now today and a massive move in a PM today, you know. Perhaps this will be left to the red news events tomorrow, but in any case, right now I'm seeing if I can get a run up into my drawn liquidity, and if it moves in my favor, right? So 15 seconds, right? This is what I want to see, right? This will be my breakaway gap, essentially this gap here. I do not want to see this filled in. So a decent move higher, and I'm just going to move my stop loss to here. I don't want to move my stop loss too close. Alright, I'm just going to leave it where, like I said, I want this to be a breakaway gap. Papa's got work. I know. You said you can come up. No. Unless you bring a drawing book or something you can do, you can come sit here and do some work. No, absolutely not. It's not a place for late. That's Shishi's bed. Thank you. Bring a drawing book and come do some work here. Be brave, boo boo. Be brave. No, put the light on in the corridor. That's it. And remember, we only have angels in this house. Now, we've accumulated here. We're starting to see bullish order flow. Do we want price really in a discount? Does smart money want to keep it here? No. So I'm happy to get stopped out. If my hypothesis is wrong, maybe this is too close, right? To my stop loss over here. But at the same time, nice. We're looking for precision, and we are looking for, or I'm looking for a specific play. Okay, Boo Boo, where do you wanna sit?
Here. Here.
Yeah, okay. Do you need help?
Yes.
There you go, there's your space.
Dad, why do you need that book?
I'm gonna move my stop loss back to here. That's perfectly reasonable. So fair value gap over here. We've to break even. and break even because it looks like on a minute chart. Let's see a react of the lunch lows. So for bullishness, for future reference, I'm going to study how react here. Would we want to see weakness of here if we are looking for a run into the highs? So I'm just gonna save the stop loss because ultimately I can still find a long scalp if we see favor inside of here. But we've already had a decent moves, a decent scalp. And why should I give it up if at 130 we are just retracing?
seal them with a hot or cold. Hot or cold.
They're normal.
I'm just getting them ready to hang their laundry.
Alright, boo boo.
So this doesn't take that long. Like this.
Again, do you want to see?
Yeah. What?
No, I'm just doing my work, boo boo. I'm just speaking out loud. Do you want to see displacement above here or weakness? Right.
Are you speaking to yourself?
I'm making a video for my work, boo.
Okay.
Awesome. So closing this out manually. Like I said, it's not an area where I want to see weakness from.